Hello there and welcome to Crafting Unedited. My name is Sierra and today we are going to learn about contour. That is spelled C-O-N-T-O-U-R. And no, we are not going to contour your face or your body. That is definitely something that is very trending right now. No, today we are going to learn how to contour in Cricut Design Space. That is where we are at right now. We are on my computer, and that is where we are going to learn today. So it'll be a very quick tutorial, but it is a very useful tutorial. It's something that can help you create some really awesome things and make things your own. So for today, I have chosen this landscape of the city of Cleveland. I have a special request from somebody to do a bat symbol with the skyline in it. So that's what we're doing. We're doing the skyline of Cleveland, and I need to get rid of this word. While I think it's really awesome to have the word Cleveland in there, it doesn't really make a difference for me because it's in the end, it's going to look a bit like, I'll show you, hold on. And the word Cleveland just kind of gets in the way. I want it kind of like right about there. And then we're going to, this has nothing to do with what I'm going to teach you today, so we're just going to blow through it because I want to show you what I mean. All right, hey, come on. It's in the back. Delete. See how it has Cleveland down here? We got to get rid of Cleveland because of that. So we're just going to undo all that and get rid of that. There we go. All right. Oh, no, it's still sliced. Alrighty. Let's just get back to where we started. There we go. All right, so we've got Cleveland here, and we need to get rid of Cleveland, but not Cleveland. I know. Funny, right? So first thing you're going to notice is that because this is an uploaded SVG image, I don't have the layers. I don't have the capability to just delete Cleveland. There's nothing else available down here in your bottom right-hand corner but contour. See this? Contour. And that's what we're going to do. So first, you're going to select your image. Next. Now, contour will work on any image, but it is best, for images that have already been welded together or have many layers that are grouped or ungrouped and you only want to get rid of certain parts, or if it is a print and cut image that doesn't have the layers like this, there's no layers. So it really works best for those because you don't really have any other option to make those layers. Now, if you were going to use something with layers and you want to change the colors, you're going to want to duplicate this a few times first. I don't need that today because I don't have more colors, but if you wanted to, you definitely could. So let's see what we have on contour in here. So it's pretty basic. We've got this, and then we've got Cleveland. So to hide the contour, you see in the background over here, this hides whatever you select. So the grayed out area is what is hidden. So for the sake of my sanity, we're just going to hide it all because that way I don't have to go through and click every one of these. And it just says hide all or show all. We're going to hide all. And then voila. There we go. We've got it. I've got my image without the word, Cleveland in it. Let's see if I can find an image to show you guys what I mean about the colors. Oh, here we go. This is almost perfect. All right, so you see this flag here, right? There's no layers. There's nothing to do. Actually, that is a bad example because it's a print and cut. Print and cut, I take that back. You cannot contour print and cut. Let's do this guy. That should be maybe easy. And we'll do the Jordan logo. That'll be easy. Because why not? All right. So we've got Jordan logo down here. Oh, that one went in anyway. All right. So we've got Jordan, right? Poor Jordan. What? I can't contour him either because he's a print. I selected the wrong one. Dope. Let's try this one. I'm just trying to do something quick for you guys. There we go. This one will let me. So let's say I want to do the stars a different color. This might be a little bit more than I want to handle right now. Because all the stars might, there he goes. Yeah, all the stripes are individual layers and every single star is going to be an individual layer. So we are going to just do this. We'll do the stripes a different color. But first, I did not duplicate this. Hide all, show all. There we go. I need to duplicate it first. So, to change your colors, you're going to duplicate. That way, you have an original. And we're going to go over to contour. You can select either one of them and hit contour. And give it a minute to load. There it goes. Sometimes it's easier to just do this. Than it is to go over to the sidebar and scroll through each one. Sometimes it's easier to just scroll through and select them. But for this, I wish there was like a select all button. This is a really awesome image. I do love it. I did not create it though, unfortunately. I do not know the creator either because I cannot find them. I tried to find them to ask them if I could use it or if I could purchase a licensing, but it's like the unknown person. All right, so I've got all those are hidden. Now, I've got this, right? So now I can change the colors of the stripes and we can do blue. Voila! And then if I wanted to do it again, we have our original to contour. And we can contour out all of the other side. Oop, I don't want those ones. I want just these stuff. I don't want the words. All right, that's part of the S. That's part of the Y. See what I mean? Sometimes it's easier to go by the side panel. Sometimes it's easier to just do it up here. It's really whatever you prefer. They really have these all like mixed in here, don't they? Oh, sneaky, sneaky. No, that's part of the T. That's part of the N. This is really, really... That's part of the other T. I'm just trying to get all these little pieces. I just do them this way. You can zoom in as well to make it a little easier for yourself. This is weird. Every time I click this one, this other one undoes itself. Whatever. We'll leave it. Not a huge deal. Same thing's happening with that one. How weird. And that one. These little dots don't like me. All right. I feel like that is golden. With the exception of the few little weird things. And I think that I want to do this one in red. This is just to show you guys what I mean. So now we can layer the two, and look how fun that looks. And then we group it. Oops, I said group, not attach it. We group it. And then if you wanted to take it even further, you could slice it. So select it all, slice it. I know this is really going off of what I was trying to show you, but my point is that this is how you contour to create something really awesome and make it your own. You can align it, center, align it, center. Oh, no, let's not align it, center and center. Let's just do our own thing. Sometimes that works out, sometimes it doesn't. All right, there you go. Voila. That, my friends, is how you use the contour tool to create some really awesome images and make things your own. So if you see an image that you really, 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 really like, but you don't like one specific part of it, don't be sad, because you can fix it. You can make it your own and create something really fabulous like I just did with this beautiful flag. So remember to subscribe. That way you can see all of the future tutorials, and I can show you how to do really awesome projects and have fun doing it without pulling out your hair. I'm a realist. I like to explain things without the kind of like the dumbed down version, but not for dummies, because you guys are not dummies. You're awesome. Until next time, my beautiful crafting people, we will see you later.